You know the feeling. You walk into the airport juggling your bags, your phone, your boarding pass, and wondering how to make this whole process less chaotic. Meanwhile, you spot someone waltzing through check-in, grabbing a hot meal, relaxing in a lounge, maybe even showering, all before their flight. Frequent flyers know some secret tricks, hidden perks that make airports feel less like stress zones and more like chill zones. In this video, we're uncovering the perks the airlines, credit card companies, and airports don't shout about. Things frequent flyers use to turn wait time into extra comfort, convenience, and sometimes even luxury. These are the perks that give you an edge, make travel smoother, and elevate the entire airport experience. Buckle up, we're about to go behind the scenes. This is Elite Trailblazer, travel tips that actually work. Why these perks matter. If you fly often, business, for work, connecting flights, or just for wanderlust, every minute in an airport counts. Waiting, standing in line, scanning boards, dragging bags, those all build up fatigue, frustration, and sometimes extra cost. The perks we'll talk about don't just make the trip more pleasant, they often save you time, money, or both. Industry studies on frequent flyer value show that elite status isn't just about free upgrades. It's about time saved, lines skipped, and comfort gained. The more often you fly, the more small conveniences compound. Frequent flyer programs and lounge access programs recognize this, offering a variety of perks that many casual flyers don't even know exist. We'll explore those. Perk number 1. Lounge access. Beyond the obvious. Most frequent flyers know about lounge access. What many don't know are the hidden lounge perks that lounge membership or elite status can get you. Hidden amenities. Some lounges have shower suites, nap pods, or quiet zones that aren't advertised heavily. For example, lounges listed through Priority Pass emphasize showers and more relaxing seating. Business workstations, often in quieter parts of the airport. Food and amp. Beverages upgrades. The standard snacks and drinks are just the entry level. In many premium lounges, if you ask, you can often get access to better selections, higher-end items, cocktails, or secret restaurant partner menus that aren't shown to all guests. Personal boarding announcements. Concierge help. Lounge staff often monitor flights closely. If your flight is about to board or delayed, they sometimes personally notify you or even walk you to the gate. That kind of attention is rarely available from the gate area itself. Lounge networks and AMP alliances. If you fly with one alliance often, you can access many lounges worldwide under that network. For instance, One World Elite members have access to hundreds of lounges globally when flying with airline partners. These lounge perks are about more than comfort. They reduce anxiety, let you work in peace, freshen up for long flights, or just escape the chaos of terminals. Perk number 2, Priority and AMP, status perks. That go unnoticed. Frequent flyers with status often enjoy perks that most flyers don't even realize exist or aren't using. Priority check-in, security, and boarding. Gold, platinum, silver, elite status often gives you access to priority lanes at check-in and security. That means shorter lines, faster screening, less stress. Sometimes it's built right into your ticket, but many times you'd have to know to seek out or request it. Seat selection and AMP, upgrade opportunities. Frequent flyers often can pick better seats, exit row, front of cabin, well before others, or receive upgrade offers, sometimes just for having status, not always for the highest tier. These perks are often under-advertised. Dedicated customer service, support lines. Elite members frequently get access to faster, more responsive customer service. Whether rearranging flights, resolving baggage issues, or handling special requests, those fast lanes in support can save a lot of hassle. Bonus mileage, rewards accelerators. Many frequent flyer programs give extra mileage or elite qualifying points per flight, or bonuses on partner purchases. These help maintain or upgrade status faster, which unlocks even more perks. Perk number 3, credit card and AMP, membership. Perks that mirror airline benefits. Credit cards, co-branded airline cards, or travel rewards cards often hide benefits you'll want to take full advantage of. Free lounge access via cards. Some cards give Priority Pass, Dragon Pass, or similar lounge access as a benefit. You may not realize that one of your credit cards already grants access. Activate it. Use the app to see participating lounges. Fast-track security lanes. Some premium credit cards let you use fast-track lines at certain airports or expedited security processes. That perk can save you a huge amount of time, especially during peaks. It's often buried in the benefits documents. Airport Companion Lounge or Spa benefits. Cards in certain regions offer extras like spa, massage, or fast-track through Visa Signature or Infinite, or via associated airport companion apps. Complimentary upgrades or credit toward checked bags. Airline credit cards often include waived fees for checked baggage, priority boardings, or some kind of credit that offsets airport fees. If you fly frequently and pay for bags, activating those benefits is almost free money. Perk number 4. Tactical use of layovers and AMP. Airport infrastructure. Frequent flyers often plan layovers, terminal usage, or use parts of airport infrastructure in ways that aren't obvious to casual travelers. Using sleep zones or rest pods. Some terminals have designated rest or quiet zones for free, or low-cost sleep pods or micro-hotels. For long layovers, these allow you to rest, refresh, or even sleep without leaving the secure area. Frequent flyers often map this ahead of time. Complimentary amenities in terminals. Some airports provide free water refill stations, free Wi-Fi, or even hidden fountains. Bringing an empty water bottle and refilling after security is a common hack. Frequent flyers also know which terminals have these so they don't have to keep buying overpriced water. Hidden art, lounges, or offerings in less obvious gates. Some gates or concourses have nicer seating, less noise, or better amenities, charging stations, lounges, but aren't obvious on the airport map. Frequent flyers scout these areas ahead of time. Shopping and AMP discounts. There are sometimes deals in airport duty-free or shopping concourses reserved for elite flyers, discounts, coupons, or freebies like tastings, promotions, or partner offers. For instance, Changi Airport has complimentary beverage tastings at duty-free boutiques for registered travelers. Perk number 5. Arrival and AMP. Departure. Perks you may not use enough. Finally, some perks happen before you even enter the terminal or just after you land. Things frequent flyers use to reduce friction in the whole travel experience. Meet an AMP, greet and fast track on departure. At many airports, frequent flyers with elite status or certain memberships get access to fast-track immigration security lanes or even Meet an AMP, assist services for departures. Being guided through customs or immigration or using dedicated lines saves a ton of time. Early bag delivery, priority baggage. Some airlines assign priority to bags of elite status pass holders or premium cabin passengers, meaning their bags are among the first off the carousel. If your flight lands late and you need to hustle, priority baggage makes a big difference. Discounted or expedited transfers. For those connecting through big hubs, there are services that help you move between terminals quickly, or partner hotels shuttles offering discount or priority rates for frequent flyers. Special service recovery perks. When things go wrong, delays, cancellations, elite status often gives you access to better recovery, free hotel voucher, meal vouchers, or rebooking priority. These are often only partially advertised. Perk number 6. Hidden bonus perks of loyalty and AMP, alliances. Loyalty programs and airline alliances have sometimes small, subtle perks that accumulate over time, but which many frequent flyers may not fully exploit. Partner perks. Car rental, hotel, and retail partners often grant status perks, discount upgrades, faster check-in, better rooms. If you hold airline elite status, this means your airline status delivers benefits outside the airport. Elite status rollover or matchmaking. Sometimes airlines match competitor status or offer status renewal rollover if you have certain travel activity, number of flights, miles. Also, some co-brands auto-grant you status levels after spending thresholds. Special birthday or milestone perks. Some airlines send gifts, bonus mileage, free companion tickets, depending on your elite tier, sometimes unannounced. Keeping an eye on your email for members only offers unlocks these. Upgrade offers via email or app. PreCheck. Sometimes airlines send upgrade offers cheaply if seats are available, but only to elite or high-status members. Checking your app or email before check-in can snag you discounts. How to make these hidden perks work for you. Because perks are only good if you use them, here's how to unlock them. Track your travel patterns. The airports, terminals, airlines you use most often. Learn where the perks are, where lounges are, where quiet gates lie. Dive into your frequent flyer program. Learn the benefits you already have but may not be using. Lounge access, priority baggage, free checked bag, elite lines, etc. Match credit cards to travel. If a card gives you priority pass or club access, activate it. Use the app. Know which cards give you what. Keep membership apps organized. Download the lounge apps, the benefit apps, travel partner cards. Always carry them, physical or digital, so you can claim perks. Ask politely. Lounge staff or elite support often can upgrade your access or give better amenities if you mention you're a frequent flyer. It won't always work, but sometimes just asking uncovers hidden benefits. Plan layovers and terminal choices with airport maps. Sometimes picking a different gate or terminal, if you have flight options, gives you access to better lounges or amenities. There you have it, some of the best hidden airport perks that frequent flyers swear by. If you start using just a few of these, travel becomes less about endure and more about enjoy. Because when you fly often, the difference between a stressed-out layover and a peaceful lounge can be everything. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of the travel secrets that will make your next flight smoother. Comment below, which of these hidden perks surprised you most, and which one you're going to try first. I read all your stories and some will be featured. Travel smart. Fly extra. And remember, Elite Trailblazer, from airport lines to smooth landings, we've got you.